Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2 and let me share with you how to activate emoji suggestions on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on keyboard and input methods, and here all we have to do is to simply take a look at this section, available keyboards. We have to tap on the keyboard we've got currently set. In my case it is Gboard, so let's tap on it, and here we have to find the emojis, stickers and GIFs. So let's tap on it, and here let's scroll to the suggestions, and as you can see we've got the option suggestions whilst typing, and we've got the emojis here. In my case this option was defaultly turned on, so if you've got it turned off, if it looks like it, all you have to do in order to activate that is to simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will suggest you some emojis whilst typing. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to activate emoji suggestions in your REALME GT Neo 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.